How to draw a chick with crayon in just 1 minute. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. For simple steps with only 2 crayons. Chick is a baby chicken. Now, let's look at the life cycle of a chicken. An egg is formed when rooster, a male chicken, met hen, a female chicken. The rooster will mate with the hen to get fertilized eggs. Later, hen will lay the fertilized eggs. Mommy chicken will sat on the eggs and give it warm for 21 days. Baby chicks will hatch at day 21. The chick absorbs the rest of the yolk, its main food source, as it grows inside the shell. When chick initially hatch, they are wet, but they soon dry off and turn into those cute little fuzzballs. As the chick grows up, it will turn into rooster or hen. This is the life cycle of a chicken. It will be repeated.